Hi everyone, welcome to the Cat Kings NMAT Daily. This is Anisha here, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about all the various programs for MBA which NMIMS offers. Like a lot of students have this doubt ki what all options do I have at hand. So let's have a quick look at an understanding of all the various programs at NMIMS. All right, so all of you guys who are planning to get into NMIMS, we have this Cat King NMAT Turbo program where we are going to take care of preparing for all the things, right from live classes, video lectures, all of them module wise, done by all the faculties who are from the top colleges like IIMS, NITI, NMIMS alumni, for each and everything. And all of them is aligned towards the new paper pattern to include all the things like which are very new and interesting, like data sufficiency, case-led based data interpretation, verbal reasoning, and all of these things. So you will get access to all the pre-recorded lectures, right from concept builders to NMAT official guide solved questions, topic wise questions, along with mock tests, all as per the new paper pattern, practice ebooks which will help you to make sure you are giving enough content to practice, and at the end your case discussion, personal interview preparation. So it's going to be like a one-stop solution, right from cracking NMAT to cracking NMIMS, and at the same time selecting which colleges to apply. So now let's have a look at all the various programs that NMIMS offers. So firstly, NMIMS has got various campuses. You have Mumbai with 12 different options and programs, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Indore, Navi Mumbai for all the MBA programs. Shirpur, as you can see, currently does not have any MBA programs. They are the engineering programs campus. So all of them who have a little dilemma whether the MBA is offered at Shirpur. So NMIMS MBA programs are at 5 locations: Mumbai, Bangalore, Navi Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Indore. Okay, there are a couple of upcoming campuses, Dhule and Chandigarh as well also. So stay tuned to know more about these as and when they are kickstarting. Now let's take a deep dive into all the programs you have at Mumbai. So the big fancy building, the hotel, or the mall kind of building which you see, that is the house for various programs, right from MBA to part time on all of them. So we have the core MBA 2 years program from which I have graduated in 2015. Then we have the MBA HR program, which is specifically for HR. We have MBA Pharma. For here, you will have to have a prerequisite to be someone from the pharma related background. Biotech, pharma, BSc, all of those are acceptable. These are proper 2 year full time MBA programs. Okay. In the same lines, we have 2 year full time MBA program of decision science and analytics. It's called as PGDM analytics when you guys are selecting your forms to apply for NMIMS. All right, and you get an option there to choose the hybrid program, which is 1 year in India and 1 year in Purdue, which is amazing because Purdue is one of the best colleges when it comes to analytics. All right, then there is a special MBA in law 2 years program. Here you need to have a background of law, so that's very important. So LLB, CS, something which you have to be doing, so that's an eligibility constraint for the same. Similarly, you have this PGDM in real estate management. That's a new niche program because there's a growing requirement. See, whenever colleges come up with such niche programs, the objective is to meet the industry requirement. So that means there is a need for people in the real estate management. You have such amazing people like builders and L&T Realty and all of them coming in on board. MBA in law, because there's a huge growing trend of corporate law and business law these days. Similarly for your analytics, right? So pick up, if you have a relevant niche background, you can master yourself into these niche things. For the real estate management, I think the eligibility criteria, you can check more on the website as well, has the constraint of you being from civil engineering and the score background and having a 2 years of work ex. Interestingly, the selection process for this is different. You have either NMAT or you can give in through direct interviews. Similarly, for law, you can give NMAT or GMAT or their own entrance exam. Okay, the rest all of them are through our normal, which is NMAT exam. So people who are giving NMAT, that makes you eligible for these four essential main programs, as well as the real estate and the MBA law, they also accept that. Okay, then you have different programs which come in from the entrepreneurship sector. So you have three programs which is in the School of Entrepreneurship Management, which NMIMS has. Okay, there is 2 years of entrepreneurship and family business, entrepreneurship separately, and FMBA separately, which is a weekend only program. Okay, for these they have a separate process altogether. You have to apply to their website, give their test and give their interviews. Okay, and you have two programs for social entrepreneurship, which is a part-time 2 years social entrepreneurship, or a diploma in social entrepreneurship, a 1 year program. These will have a separate process for them as well, and you have to have a relevant background in this industry. All right, along with that, there are part-time MBA which is there, which is offered separately with all the streams: MBA, finance, marketing, HR, operations, IT, all of them. Okay, so these are various programs which are existing in the Mumbai campus. All the people who are giving in your NMAT, I'll repeat once again, through NMAT you can apply for the 2 years core MBA program, HR program, pharma, as well as business analytics and MBA law. All right, so this is about the Mumbai campus. Now let's look at the other campuses. Great. Now in Bangalore you have two special programs. One is our 2 year PGDM MBA, which is like similar to the MBA core in Mumbai. Very good, doing really good with a lot of placements. Then we have postgraduate diploma in banking and financial services. Then you have special weekend programs which are designed specifically for a lot of working professionals and the industry requirements in the Bangalore, which is there. So you have an executive management program, there is a data science and analytics weekend program, as well as a business management 20 months weekend mode program as well also. Moving to all the other new campuses which are there, here again you will have PGDM. You can select all of these through your NMAT in your NMAT application form as well. The 2 years MBA at Navi Mumbai, and a very new and interesting logistics and supply chain management program, which is very niche for people who are looking at operations. Okay, so something which is the demand like from NITI and all of those colleges. This is on lines of the same thing. Indore you have only one, that's a conventional 2 years PGDM program. Hyderabad we have our 2 years MBA PGDM program, as well as a 20 months executive program. Alright, so I hope this gives you guys a fair idea about all the programs across the campuses which are there. Any doubts, any questions regarding any of the specific programs you guys have, please feel free to drop in on the comments.